Okay, so I recently purchased the private label MFG muffler delete for the Subaru BRZ. That's the old muffler. We're gonna go out here and have a look at the new pipe that's in there. It was a simple install, only took about 15 minutes. Could have done that in a shorter amount of time if I had the correct amount of tools, but I didn't, so all right. So basically it's just a straight pipe, that's all it is. There's no muffler on there. And I know I was looking at this in the FT86 Speed website, and I didn't see any exhaust reviews for it, so I figured I'd just make one for y'all. It does stick out quite a bit, which is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up, and then we can start it for you. This is gonna be a warm start. I just got back from driving, so let's see. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna do a couple drive-bys, takeoffs, and all that. I won't be able to do anything exactly aggressive because this is a parking lot where people do business, so okay, you know what, I'm gonna put it right over here. There we go. Okay. So I figured I'd record some exhaust clips from the inside, and this is with the window down, so we'll see how this sounds. Just revving it out for you. It sounds pretty good inside. It's pretty loud, even with the window up. I mean, it's still pretty loud. Definitely, I wouldn't say it's as loud as a catback exhaust, but it's definitely pretty good. Cruising at 46 Not that much drone. It's there, but it's not that bad. I'm gonna avoid the school zone that's in there. Throw it in fourth. Excuse the car, it's super dirty, but you know. Yeah, so overall, pretty happy with it. Easy install, sounds good, looks better than just no muffler. And yeah, for more videos, I'll be posting almost every week, so be sure to check out my channel. Have a good one.